The EV market is booming with choices for everyone. The Tesla Model Y is the benchmark, practical, spacious, and with over 300 miles of range. It combines performance, tech, and access to Tesla's supercharger network. The Audi e-tron GT proves EVs can be beautiful and thrilling with luxury and sports car performance. It's a grand tourer with nearly 300 miles of range and a stunning interior. The BYD Seal is a value-packed newcomer, offering advanced tech and over 350 miles of range. Its innovative Blade battery is safe and durable. These cars show the variety available: family SUVs, luxury tourers, and affordable innovators. Whether you want a city car, off-roader, or supercar, there's an EV for you. Competition is fierce, driving better features and more choices every year. The options are growing fast. There's never been a better time to go electric. The future of driving is here, and it's electric. The electric revolution is global. EV sales are soaring worldwide, with countries like Norway leading the way. Governments offer incentives and create clean air zones to speed up adoption. Electric cars often get perks like free entry to city centers. People are more aware of their environmental impact and want to make a difference. Choosing an EV is a visible, powerful statement for a cleaner future. As demand grows, manufacturers invest more, leading to better batteries and lower prices. Improvements make EVs even more attractive for the next wave of buyers. What started as a niche is now reshaping the entire industry. The world has chosen its direction. The road ahead is electric. The momentum is unstoppable. Where do you charge an EV? Mostly, right at home. Plug in overnight and wake up with a full battery. No more petrol stations. For longer trips, public charging networks are expanding fast. Chargers are everywhere: motorways, supermarkets, hotels, and more. Ultra-rapid chargers add hundreds of miles in minutes. Apps make finding and paying for charging easy. Charging stops become quick breaks to relax and recharge yourself. Charging hubs with lounges and Wi-Fi are the petrol stations of the future. The network is getting faster, bigger, and more convenient every day. Charging an EV is becoming easier than filling up with petrol. The pace of EV innovation is breathtaking. Solid-state batteries promise safer, lighter, faster charging cars with up to 1,000 miles of range. Imagine charging from empty to full in just 10 minutes. Full self-driving is on the horizon, making commutes safer and more relaxing. Autonomous cars could transform mobility for everyone. Bidirectional charging lets your car power your home during a blackout. Cars are becoming connected, communicating with each other and city infrastructure. The car is evolving into an integrated part of our smart lives. These breakthroughs are already being tested and will soon be mainstream. The future isn't far off, it's arriving now. Every new EV brings us closer to a world of limitless possibilities. The revolution is just beginning. We're moving from noisy, complicated petrol engines to silent, powerful electric motors. EVs are better for the planet and simply better to drive, smooth, quiet, and fun. Range anxiety is fading, and charging is easier than ever. Today's EVs are marvels of sustainable design and smart technology. From family SUVs to luxury tourers, there's an electric car for everyone. The shift is irreversible. Every major car company is committed to an electric future. Governments and people are embracing the change. Innovations like solid-state batteries and full autonomy are just around the corner. The cars of tomorrow will make today's look old-fashioned. EVs offer freedom from petrol stations, oil changes, and pollution. They're the smarter, cleaner, and more exciting future of driving. If you haven't tried one yet, now's the time. The road ahead is clear, quiet, and electric. Sustainability is at the heart of the electric vehicle revolution, shaping not just how we drive but how we live. As cities grow and the world faces the urgent challenge of climate change, electric vehicles are emerging as a powerful solution to reduce emissions and create cleaner, healthier communities. The shift to EVs is more than a trend, it's a movement toward a greener, more responsible future for everyone. Automakers are transforming their operations by adopting eco-friendly production methods, investing in renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and setting ambitious carbon-neutral goals. These changes are happening at every stage of the manufacturing process, from the initial design to the final assembly, ensuring that the vehicles of tomorrow are built with the planet in mind. Inside the cars, innovation continues. Interiors now feature recycled plastics, responsibly sourced natural fibers, and vegan leather, reducing the environmental impact of every vehicle. These sustainable materials not only look and feel premium, but also help conserve resources and minimize waste, making each ride a step toward a cleaner world. Battery recycling and second life uses are closing the loop. Companies like Redwood Materials are leading the way by recovering valuable materials and giving old batteries new purposes. This circular approach keeps harmful waste out of landfills and ensures that the resources powering our vehicles are used as efficiently as possible. Charging networks are also going green, with solar-powered stations and smart grid integration making it easier than ever to power up sustainably. These innovations mean that every mile driven in an EV can be cleaner, further reducing the carbon footprint of transportation. Every part of the EV lifecycle is being reimagined for sustainability, from sourcing raw materials to repurposing batteries at the end of their life. Automakers are embracing eco-friendly processes, ensuring that the journey from factory to road is as green as possible. The automotive industry is setting a new standard for what it means to be truly green, collaborating across sectors and showcasing their progress at global sustainability events. These efforts are inspiring other industries to follow suit, amplifying the impact of sustainable innovation. Ultimately, building a greener future is about more than just what powers the car. It's about how it's built, how it's used, and the positive impact it has on our lives and our planet. By choosing electric vehicles and supporting sustainable practices, we're all helping to drive the world toward a cleaner, brighter tomorrow. Autonomy is the next frontier, and EVs are leading the way. Their digital foundations make them perfect for advanced sensors and AI. Some, like Tesla's full self-driving beta, already handle complex city driving with minimal input. Full autonomy isn't here yet. Regulations and safety challenges remain, but progress is rapid, with billions invested in R&D and tech partnerships. Autonomous EVs could reduce accidents, ease congestion, and reshape cities. From robo-taxis to delivery vans, the groundwork is being laid. The self-driving future is electric, and it's coming fast. Affordability is making EVs accessible to all. Battery advances and scaled production are driving prices down. More entry-level models now compete with gas cars on price and features. Incentives and lower running costs make the switch even easier. Used EVs are opening doors for budget buyers. Expanding charging infrastructure means EVs work for more lifestyles. From city cars to SUVs, there's an electric option for everyone. The electric future isn't just for early adopters, it's for everyone. That's the EV evolution, packed with innovation, sustainability, and cool tech. What do you want to see next? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives. Until next time, stay charged.